So to install your pressure switch, the first thing we're going to do is connect our wiring harness. On this one, it's all in a block, so it makes it nice and easy to push in. There are some models where they're all individual wires, and they are marked by color, so they're very easy to put on. We'll just slide that connector into place, and now we'll insert it into the console. So we're just going to line up our pressure switch. You see it's going into a square hole, and there's a square mount on the front. And we just basically push it into the square hole and rotate it till it locks. Once it's in place, we just need to put the water level hose on, and it just pushes straight on. And your part has been replaced. So now we're just going to rotate the console back down onto the cabinet. With it in place, we just give it some pressure. And you can hear the latches lock in place. And now we just need to put the knob back on. We'll just line up the flat spot on the knob to the flat spot on the shaft. Push it on, and your repair is complete.